Hello, I'm Bob, and I help LDS men go from feeling stuck, stressed, and lonely to feeling confident and empowered so they can reignite attraction and desire, invite connection and intimacy, and lead their marriage and families. Before joining the program, I felt kind of directionless. I had an idea on who I wanted to coach and how I wanted to help them, but getting from point A to point B seemed to be a little bit out of my reach. And I've tried other programs before, and I think I've learned something from all of them, or I know I've learned something from all of them, but I feel like this gives me a lot more clear step by step instructions, directions on which pieces I'm missing. And the other thing I love about it too is I feel like I've been really strengthened in the process still, but I feel like the direction has been the most helpful thing for me. And I guess second to that would be the way that I felt strengthened in the process too, learning the sales calls, going through the process of the interviews helped me be a better coach and prepare me for the process. The thing that has made the biggest difference for me so far is I feel like I have direction. Like I feel like there's a plan and a path, and I can see part of it. I can't see all of it yet. And I feel like it's going to come clear as I continue to march down the path. But just the fact that I have a path and can lean into the path really gives me a lot of confidence. And I feel like I've just been I feel strengthened in this process. Like I've been working out, lifting the weights, strengthening my coaching muscle, strengthening my mental, faculties as I've just worked through, each step of it. So it's been really, really helpful for me. So the result so far is I just launched my prop program and I got 10 people to enroll in that. So that's been a great success. I was hoping for more clients to enroll in that, but I love the clients that I have and I'm really excited about the process that they're going to go through in this pop program. So I think it's given me a lot of momentum. Even all the people that I've talked to that didn't enroll in the program or that I interviewed, so many of them, lots of them didn't do a sales call with me, but they did say, "Hey, we'd like you to follow up with me, later on." I can see a lot of these people coming back through and, coming into the program and giving me referrals. There's even a guy that didn't come into the program that we just talked for a few minutes after we did the interview together, and he said he wasn't interested or that wasn't his focus right now to do this, but he did give me a referral of a guy that I think will join the program eventually. So I think just a lot of momentum and a lot of visibility and connection and just building myself up, my internal strength in the process. I would say the program is amazing in multiple ways. The support calls, the regular support calls are great. I like that that you guys have now split them out into different, phases of the business that you're in. I think that's super smart. It's the most systematized program I've ever been a part of. I've never seen anything that says step one, step two, step three. But just know that the journey still is difficult. It's an emotional journey. It's a spiritual journey. It's all of that combined. It's still a part of that whole process. There's still going to be a lot of fear that comes up, even knowing the pathway. Then the question is, are you willing to stick with it in order to, make the magic happen? But I will tell you, it's the most systematized, specific program that I have ever been a part of, and I'm super grateful to have had it. And I'm really glad that I came in with the background that I have. I've been coaching LDS men for about 4 years, and coming into this and going in from other programs I've been involved in, I had a pretty clear idea on the direction I wanted to go already. So I think that helps accelerate my own progress as to who I wanted to focus on and the problem that I wanted to solve. However, I wouldn't let that deter you from joining the program if you're willing to work through that process within the program in order to figure out who you want to serve and the problem that you want to solve and get really clear about that. But don't expect the results to be quite as accelerated if you're not coming in with more depth. But I feel like that has helped me out in this program as well. But it's a really, really good program, and I am very grateful to be part of it.